Good morning class. This is our activity class, and in this activity class we are going to do artwork. For this you need your art notebook. Okay. Now beta, remember one thing, you have to leave this very first page. Okay, and you start your work with second page. From second page what you have to do, you have to draw the margin like this. Okay, from all four sides you have to draw the margin and put today's date, that is 14/7/2020, and here you have to write CW. Okay, now what heading you will write? We love cheering. Okay, this heading you have to write with purple color sketch pen. Okay, no need to use any other color. Now let's start with our work. First of all, what you have to do, we will make 3 girls. Okay, look, in your art book page number 5 it is given. In page number 5 it is given. Now we love cheering. We are going to draw this in our notebook. Understood? Now start with our work. First of all, what you have to do, just make one circle. Like this you have to make circle. Okay, now from here do like this. Okay, now from here also you have to draw eyes like this and ear also. Now pony from here like this, and from this side also you have to make second pony. Now draw a small line. Okay, and like this. Okay beta, what is this? This is body. Now what is left? Hand. Like this you have to draw hand. Like this you have to do. Now here do like this. Make another shoe. Okay, now what is left? Smile. Look, one girl is ready. Wow. Now 2 girls is left. One we have to draw here and another is here. Now start making another girls just like it. Okay, draw another circle. And one ponytail from here like this. Okay, Again, draw the hairs, ears and eyes. Draw the mouth. Now it's time for dress. Okay? Another dress. Okay? Okay? Now one more girl is left. Now again, draw another circle like this. Okay? Now here. Ears. Hand. And rub this extra part from here. Okay? From here, skirt. Okay? Now legs and shoes. Eyes. Okay? Now after making this, what you have to do? Just outline it with black sketch pen like this. बेटा आपने जितनी भी ड्राइंग बनाई है वो आपको ब्लैक स्केच पेन से आउटलाइन करनी है. बेटा आप सिर्फ ब्लैक स्केच पेन से आउटलाइन करोगे. ओके? like this. Now look, after outlining, what you have to do, take out your eraser and start erasing the extra part, okay? बेटा इरेज करने के बाद क्या होगा, आपका वर्क बहुत नीट एंड क्लीन हो जाएगा, ओके? लो, नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल कलर दिस पेंटिंग with the help of crayon colors, okay? Look, मैम ने crayon colors निकाल लिए हैं, आप लोग भी निकाल लीजिए, like this, okay? बेटा first of all we will take yellow color, okay? And start coloring with me. And बेटा remember one thing, आपके कलर्स बाहर नहीं जाने चाहिए. आपने ब्लैक स्केच पेन से आउटलाइन की है ना, उससे बिल्कुल भी बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. बेटा आपको सेम टू सेम वर्क करना है जैसे मैम कर रही हैं. Here also you have to do yellow color. Here also. Beta, one thing is left. Take out black sketch pen and do like this. Okay. Look. बेटा जहां भी येलो कलर होना था हम लोग ने वहां पे येलो कलर कर लिया है. ओके. नाउ टेक आउट ब्राउन कलर and start curling the hair of first girl. Now hair of second girl. Now hair of third girl is also brown color. Look. Okay. Now we will take skin color to color the face. And beta, if you don't have skin color, you can use pink color or orange color. Now beta, take light blue color and color the band of second girl. Okay, and third girl also. बेटा आपको सेम टू सेम कलर करने हैं जैसे मैम आपको बता रही है ना. ओके, डन. Now take dark green color. Red color. Look, red color here also. Okay. Done. Now take out light green color. Start coloring. Now take out pink color. Start coloring like this. Now color the shoes also with pink color. Now take out orange color and color this pom-pom. What is left? Dark blue color. Start coloring. Okay. Look, this ear is left. You also have to color, okay? Now look, our drawing is ready. Same way you have to do in your notebook with proper margin, date, CW, okay? And you only use black sketch pen for outline. Okay, beta? Now your homework is complete page number 5 of your book. You have to put today's date 14/7/2020 and HW. ओके और बेटा जैसे आपको गर्ल्स ऊपर दी गई है सेम टू सेम वे में आपको कलर करना है. अंडरस्टूड? थैंक यू.